In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to massively reduce your Google Ads cost per click. Grab a seat and let's get started, as this process promises to be both insightful and time efficient, all done within the next 5 minutes. First, navigate over to the Google Ads website, where your journey to optimizing your ad expenditure begins. If you haven't already acquainted yourself with it, Google Ads is a powerful platform that helps bring in more customers through targeted online advertising. Once you are there, you'll want to click on that familiar sign in button. Make sure you have your credentials handy to swiftly access your Google Ads account. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. Here, you'll gain a comprehensive overview of your existing campaigns. It's a hub of information at your fingertips, which makes it a great starting point for making the necessary adjustments to your ad strategy. With the homepage in front of you, direct your focus to the campaign section. Clicking here will let you dive deeper into the details of each campaign you're running. This level of visibility is essential for understanding where your money is currently being spent, and most importantly, how you can save on costs. Next up, you'll want to explore audiences, keywords, and content. This is where the magic truly happens, as zeroing in on the right audience and keywords can lead to significant savings. A little tweak here and there can dramatically improve your click-through rates, meaning fewer wasted clicks and better returns on your ad spend. But that's not all. A crucial part of cost saving is knowing when your ads should be seen. This brings us to the ad schedule feature. Click on it and discover the power of timing. By selecting schedule, you gain the control to display your ads during peak times when your target customers are most active. This is key because your ads could be receiving clicks during off hours that don't convert effectively, which leads to higher costs. Final step, optimize your ad scheduling. This means studying data trends, understanding when your audience is most responsive, and adjusting your ad timing accordingly. By doing so, you ensure that your ads aren't just reaching people, but reaching the right people at the right time. This not only optimizes your budget, but can dramatically lower your cost per click. There you have it, a straightforward way to cut costs on Google Ads and achieve better performance without breaking the bank. Take this knowledge, apply it to your campaigns, and watch as your advertising expenses shrink and your engagement rockets skywards. Thank you for choosing to learn with us today, and may your advertising journey be both efficient and successful.